Hello, world changers, history makers, pace setters. It's Mother Ego here. So, during the week, there was a discussion that went around, and I saw a post that mentioned success is a secret. It got me thinking, and through the reflection, this is what I got. Success to me is like air. There is abundance of success. And how are we even looking at success? Is it only monetary terms, in health, in relationships? How are you defining success? And for we know, since it's available everywhere, it's for those who have eyes to see and ears to hear, and we should remember that that the sight is a function of the eyes, but then the vision is a function of the heart. So we have to use the eyes of our heart and use our mind and imagination to see where we are going, then take inspired steps to get there. One thing I know is that success has a tone. That's why many of us are able to go get a mentor and actually duplicate, So success has a tone, it has a rhythm, but you have to be very observant to catch it. If you walk around with the mentality that success is a secret, you may think the secret has eluded you, but the secret hasn't eluded you. Success is available for everyone who is willing to put in the work and uncover and do what is necessary. Success is duplicatable, but it will take diligence to follow the clues, and it will take persistence in the pursuit of success. There will be an urge to give up when difficulty comes, but we shouldn't. Until you attain the success you want, you should try many things. One thing for sure is success is not a secret. It's there for the taking, and we should just have open eyes, open mind, willing to try things, willing to duplicate others, add in your own flavor as you find others who are successful. But it's not a secret. It's there. It's a mindset change, because successful people are success conscious. They never think in terms of lack or anything missing. Anything that's missing or lack is an opportunity to create something. I know my dad always says, if there is no door, create one. So we have to take that attitude. If there is no door for you and you can't see one, create one. Yes, it will take effort. It will take everything you've got, but it is possible. We should remember, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. So how are you thinking? If you think success is a secret, well, you'll be looking for a long time thinking it has eluded you. But if you think success is easy to find, it's in abundance everywhere, in different forms and versions, well, then it's for you. It's yours for the taking. Well, I would like to hear your comments on this topic. I'll leave them below. This is Keroy, Mother Ego. You can check out the website, lifethenfinance.com. And for any in-depth learning, check out our Facebook membership group for those who want to go deeper in subjects like this. I love you guys. Bye.